In this video I'm reviewing a vintage LEGO agent set. This is set number 8631, Jetpack Pursuit with 2 minifigures and 88 pieces. And this is a very fantastic set. It kind of feels like yesterday when it was released. This is the helicopter pack there, which is very big there. You can move the propellers there and the hooks there, and you can actually grab the jewel there, which is behind that little vehicle. Yeah, that is a very fun feature, and that vehicle has a movable gun. It's a very nice snow scooter. It has that track piece there, and the guns might fall very easy, and there's this head again. And if you want me to do more LEGO videos in the future, definitely subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications, like this video, and share this video with the social media platforms. That way you won't miss any new videos, because I'm uploading on a daily basis. So here's the snow scooter. As I said, the guns on the front and the jewel case could fall off very easy in the play process, but overall I think it's a very nice build. It looks very cool with the black and orange, the Halloween colors there, and here is the agent with the jetpack, or should I say the copter pack. I think that feels a little bit more legit here, and even the blades have stickers, which is really annoying. I have another agent set and those stickers are starting to come off, and this is kind of crazy and so sad. And yeah, this is what happens to stickers over the years, and they may come off because the glue, the adhesive of the glue might wear out, and that might happen, or even it might peel, and this is very annoying. And yeah, even the gun looked very interesting with the flexi tubes there, and there is Agent Charge. Did I say Agent Charge? It's Agent Chase, and I mixed that up with Alpha Team, but it's kind of like Alpha Team, the a little bit more modern to its day, before LEGO actually introduced us to Ultra Agents. I wish I had LEGO Ultra Agent sets, but I don't. At some point I will, but if as long as I don't have them, I can't show you that content. But if I do, I definitely will do that, so stay tuned for that. And here is the villain. I really like that Terminator style face there, and he even has a very nice arm with the cyborg arm and the chainsaw. That's very deadly there. And yes, a bearing on the torso, not on the face though, but yeah, this is what LEGO did back in the days. This is a specialized torso, I think one of the first ones. And here's the instructions. There are no mistakes, no missing pieces, and there is the box. I don't know what the castle is there on the background of the box design, so pretty sure it's not the Hogwarts castle, but maybe they could have teased Monster Fighters. That could have been the Monster Fighters castle, who knows. And here's the set again. Definitely cool set, and I highly recommend you to get this set, even for the pieces or the minifigures. This is the Jetpack Pursuit set number 8631 from 2008.